welcome back to my channel. We're gonna switch it up. Today we're gonna be cooking with Jasmine, that's me. And if y'all new to my channel, it's a blessing to have y'all here. So today I am going to be making creamy chicken and pepper pasta over baked potatoes. This was very flavorful and delicious. So without further ado, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this to our channel. And yeah, so without further ado, we're going to get into the video. So I want to start off by washing my hands and washing the potatoes. Alright y'all, so now that we have the potatoes washed off, I am poking holes in it with a fork. This just makes sure that the potatoes cook right and it gets the steam in there. So yeah, once I poke it with the potatoes, I'm going in with my seasoning salt. This is roasted garlic and herb seasoning, so I use that. And I'm just placing the potatoes onto the pan so it can be easier to season. So yeah, after poking holes in it, I'm just going to season. Now I like to use roasted garlic and herb seasoning, and then Lawry's, gotta have that Lawry's seasoning salt. Yeah, so I put a little bit of that, and then there's the roasted garlic and herb seasoning, and then I eventually be going in with salt and pepper as well. And then so yeah, I'm just making sure that I rub all the seasoning in there, because yeah, it just gives a little bit of flavor for the potatoes once I bake it. And then yeah, so after that, just repeating the same process with each potato, and then we'll be eventually adding aluminum foil over them and wrapping them up.
Are you like recording now? Yeah, let's see it, Mom. Yeah, that's it.
Alright y'all, so I don't know why baby girl was squeezing my stomach. She likes to do that, but it's okay because I'm toning up anyway. But anyway, I am using, for the chicken that I'm going to be using, it will be rotisserie chicken. Now I usually use like chicken that's like made from scratch, but in this case this comes in handy, and it's just the chicken in the package, and it's already seasoning. It says that it's already seasoned, but of course I'm still going to season it anyway. So anyway, I'm taking that jar, and yeah, that's why my stomach getting flat, because yes, that lemon and water. But anyway, I don't know why I'm still wearing shirts that I can't even fit. But anyway, back to it. So I'm just opening up that bag. Like I said, this is already seasoning rotisserie chicken, but I'm gonna add more seasoning on it. So anyway, I'm just taking it. It already come like kind of sliced up, but for this I'm gonna be chopping it up into square pieces. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. All right, y'all. So now that I have the chicken diced up in cubes, I'm taking my peppers, red pepper, and yellow pepper, and orange pepper. I was trying to get green pepper, but they didn't have any. So we're gonna make this work. It still turned out really good. So yeah, I'm just kind of repeating the same process of what I'm doing with it that I did with the chicken, and then I'll be adding everything into the skillet with some butter. Alright, y'all, so while the chicken was cooking, I'm grabbing my elbow noodles, and I'll just make sure that that's boiling together while I finish cooking the chicken. So now the seasonings that I use for this is just the same: the Lorry seasoning, the garlic roasted and herb, and a little salt and pepper. So yeah, that's what I used for this, and then I'll just continue on letting that cook so that the vegetables or the peppers can get soft and get all that good flavor mixed all in. Alright, y'all, so now that the chicken and peppers is done cooking, I'm going to just pour it into a bowl just to kind of separate it a little bit, because I want to use that same pan and I want to make the cream sauce. So after I get the chicken and pepper separated, I'll be again using that same pan, pouring in the heavy whipping cream as well as the same seasonings that I use. Gotta have that Lorry seasoning. So so yeah, once I have it all separated, I grab a stick of butter as well. So I'm going to be grabbing a stick of butter, setting that into the searing pan, and I'm using the same pan that I did with the chicken. Didn't rinse it out or anything because I still want the same flavor in there. So yeah, once I melt the butter a little bit, I'm going in with the heavy whipping cream. I did place a lid on the chicken so that it could stay warm and kind of, yeah, warm and good. So yeah, I'm just letting that melt in there, and then gotta have a heavy whipping cream too. So I pour a little bit of that in there, and then I'm just again using the same seasonings, pouring a little bit in there. Alright y'all, so now that that cream sauce is cooking, I am taking Colby Jack shredded cheese and I'm just sprinkle it into the cream sauce and then giving it a little stir. And then once I get it all stirred up, I'm going to be adding the diced baked chicken with the peppers all together into the cream sauce, and then of course giving that a good stir so that it can all cook with all the delicious flavor and seasoning. And then I also will be eventually adding the noodles to all of the chicken and sauce with the peppers. So just adding the noodles in with everything and then giving it a good stir. So once the noodles is added, I am going to go in with the same seasoning again. I just added the garlic, roasted garlic and herb seasoning, and then I'm just going to be repeating it with the Lawry's seasoning salt and regular salt, pepper, and then of course I already got the garlic and herb seasoning as well. So yeah, just giving that a good stir so that all the flavors and everything can simmer together with the pasta. Alright y'all, so now that everything is done cooking, the potatoes got nice and soft, so I'm just basically plating right now. So I just kind of mush the potatoes down a little bit once I cut it in the middle, and then adding a butter for flavor, and then just sitting that on top because it'll eventually melt in. So yeah, once I get done with all of that, I am taking that creamy delicious chicken and pepper pasta and I'm just placing that on top. And y'all, when I tell y'all this was so delicious and good, nice and flavorful, nice and creamy, I did add some extra cream on top to make it nice and creamy and cheesy. And yeah, like I said, when I said that this was good, y'all, we ate it up, as y'all can see. Yeah, okay, so that comes basically to the end of this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. Again, if y'all new to our channel, it's a blessing to have y'all here. Y'all make sure y'all come back again and like, share, and subscribe with a friend, okay? All right, see y'all in the next one. Bye.